Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your go to channel for mastering Salesforce, one module at a time. Today, we're diving into the Empower Your Users with Quick Actions module on Salesforce Trailhead. So, what can you expect from today's session? Let's break down our learning objectives, describe how actions help your users, describe the difference between object-specific and global actions, create an action and add it to a page layout. We'll explore these objectives by following the journey of Maria Jimenez, the admin at Ursa Major Solar, as she customizes Salesforce to streamline her team's workflow. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. You know the saying that you should judge someone only by their actions? That's true in Salesforce, and your users will judge you favorably when you give them access to awesome customized actions. Actions let your users quickly perform tasks such as creating records, logging calls, sending emails, and more. With custom actions, you can make your users' navigation and workflow as smooth as possible by providing quick access to the information that's most important to them. Please note, when thinking about what actions you might want to create, ask your users what they really wish they could do. For example, you might create an emergency order action for your food service company that allows delivery drivers to immediately order extra or missing food items. Creating actions that your users need can drive adoption in your organization and make you a hero to your users. In previous units, we glossed over the actions sections of the object page layout. This unit is where we explore those areas of the page layout and give you a taste of how actions can enhance your users' Salesforce experience. Quick actions come in two different flavors: object-specific actions. These have automatic relationships to other records and let users quickly create or update records, log calls, send emails, and more in the context of a particular object. For example, you can add an object-specific action on the account object that creates contacts. If a user creates a contact with that action on the detail page for the Acme account, that new contact is associated with Acme. Let's take a look at some types of object-specific actions in Salesforce. Create actions. These allow users to create records that are automatically associated with related records, ensuring a seamless connection. Update record actions. These make it easy for users to edit records. You can specify which fields are available for updates, streamlining the editing process. Log a call actions. These enable users to record notes about calls, meetings, or other interactions related to a specific record, keeping everything documented. Custom actions. These can invoke Lightning components, flows, Visualforce pages, or Canvas apps, enabling users to interact with or create records linked to a specific object. Send email actions. These are available only for cases. These provide users with a simplified version of the case feed email action, particularly useful in the Salesforce mobile app. Let's move on to explore global actions. Global actions are created in a different place in setup and can be placed anywhere actions are supported. Use global actions to let users log call details, create records, or send emails without leaving the page they are on. Global actions live on a special layout called the Global Publisher layout, which populates the Global Actions menu in Lightning Experience. Users can access the Global Actions menu by clicking the Global Actions menu icon in the Salesforce header. If an object page layout isn't customized with actions, then the actions you see on those object record pages are inherited from the Global Publisher layout. Note, you might see actions referred to as quick actions in Salesforce. It's true, they're quick and your users will love them. The quick part simply means that the action is either object-specific or global, and not some other kind of Salesforce action. Now, let's get hands-on. Maria wants to give her users an easy way to create energy audit records. She's going to create an object-specific action that lets her users create energy audits right from account records. Because it's an object-specific action, The new audit records will be directly tied to the accounts they're created from. Here's how Maria does it. Navigate to Object Manager. Start by going to Setup. Locate and click on Object Manager, then select Account from the list of objects to proceed. Next, let's create the action. Navigate to Buttons, Links, and Actions, and click New Action. Set the action type to create a record and choose Energy Audit as the target object. Enter New Energy Audit as the action label, and when you're done, click Save to complete the process. Now, let's customize the action layout. After creating the action layout editor will open automatically. From here, you can add or remove fields as needed. Remember, fields marked with a red asterisk are required and must stay on the layout. Once you have made your changes, click Save to finalize the layout. Next, let's add the action to the page layout. Start by clicking on Page Layout and selecting Account Layout. In the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions section, you may be prompted to override the predefined actions. Click to proceed. Using the Mobile and Lightning Actions palette, drag New Energy Audit into the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions section. If necessary, adjust the order of the actions by dragging them into the desired sequence. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply your updates. Excellent. Now, Maria's users can easily create an energy audit record that's automatically associated with an account. They'll see the new energy audit action in the Actions menu on Account Records. Next up, Maria wants to create an action that lets users create a campaign no matter where they are in Salesforce. A global action is perfect for this because the Global Actions menu appears at the top of every page. Here's how Maria creates and adds a global action. Start by heading to Setup and clicking on the Home tab. In the Quick Find box, type Global Actions and select it from the list. Once there, you're ready to create a new global action. Click New Action, then set the action type to create a record and choose Campaign as the target object. Next, enter New Campaign as the action label and click Save to complete the process. Now, let's customize the action layout some more. In the Action Layout editor, start by removing the Parent Campaign field. Then, add the expected revenue in Campaign and Campaign. Owner fields to the layout. Once your changes are complete, click Save. Next, we'll add the Global Action to the Global Actions menu. Go to Setup and click on the Home tab. In the Quick Find box, type Publisher Layouts and select it from the results. Locate Global Layout and click Edit. In the Mobile and Lightning Actions palette, drag New Campaign into the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience Actions section. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. There you go. Now, anyone at Ursa Major Solar can create a new campaign from anywhere in Salesforce using the New Campaign global action. Now, let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. Answer these questions in the comments below or pause the video to think about your answers before we go over them. Question 1. How do custom actions help your users? A. By allowing them to create custom objects. B. By giving them more ways to view and edit records. C. By making it fast and easy to interact with information in your org. D. A and B. B and C. Think you know the answer? Great. The correct answer is E, B, and C. Custom actions give users more ways to view and edit records and make it fast and easy to interact with information in your org, enhancing their productivity and experience. Question 2. What's the main difference between object-specific actions and global actions? A. Object-specific actions have automatic relationships to other records, and global actions don't. B. Global actions perform actions outside of Salesforce, and object-specific actions only perform actions inside Salesforce. C. Object-specific actions perform actions only on specific objects. D. You can use object-specific actions wherever actions are supported in Salesforce. What's your guess? The correct answer is A. Object-specific actions have automatic relationships to other records, and global actions don't. Object-specific actions are tied to specific objects and their related records, whereas global actions are not bound to any particular object. Let's quickly recap the key takeaways. While you verify your quiz and earn your points, we looked at the benefits of actions. This enhances your users' productivity by providing quick access to essential tasks and information. Then, we touched on object-specific versus global actions by understanding the differences to effectively implement actions that meet your users' needs. And finally, we created and added actions and explored how you can seamlessly integrate them into page layouts to improve workflow efficiency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Declarative Academy, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Have questions or need further clarification? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today. Keep customizing, keep trailblazing, and we'll see you in the next module. Until then, stay declarative.